What up, everybody? This is a MoPro coming at you once again, and it's fixing of an appliance this time. Anyways, I got this Whirlpool refrigerator. Now the thing with this refrigerator, we didn't have it less than 3 years. We bought it brand new from Sears. I think the warranty is about to be up really soon, so I was just trying out a quick fix on my refrigerator. And what it is I have this little noise. I don't know if you can hear. Hold on, let me turn on the dishwasher for 2 seconds. If you listen, it makes this funny noise. So I'm glad I located the problem, because originally I thought it was the motor up under the fridge. So I pulled the fridge out, checked it out, and come again, it wasn't that. I'm checking this one. I checked the one inside the actual refrigerator itself, and I didn't hear anything at all. So what we're gonna do is literally we're gonna take everything that's out this freezer right here, take all the ice and everything out, and I'm gonna show you how to fix that problem. It's not a permanent fix, but it's a semi-fix. And I know the reason why it happened is from you filling up your freezer to the super full, where you cannot get any more room. That's the problem I had with this. So okay, this is what I'm doing first before we even get started. Of course, take your spatula or something you can, and you want to make sure you clean off all this extra ice, because what it is this back wall is freezing up. And you see this right here? It's all this extra ice. You have to make sure you get it out of here, get it around. You see the vents is freezing up. So that's the main problem. You just got to get this up out of here first. And then once we get this out of here, what we're going to do is we're going to unplug it, and then I'll show you what to do after that. All right, here we go. Okay, now here we go. See, we didn't clear the vents, that vent over there, that vent over there, because we're going to need room when we blow the heat up in here, right here. So we have to make sure everything is cleared out of here. Now what we're going to do is unplug it, and I'm going to show you what to do. All right, now nice and quiet. Originally you might want to take your ice tray out too. I'm just going to leave it in for now. This is not a real issue. But yeah, so let's get started. Next thing you're going to need, the main important thing of this whole solving this noise maker, go in here, go see your wife, your girlfriend, your sister, your mom, and you go in there and you get her hair dryer. And you want to get the high-end one, whichever one that is super powerful, super high, and super high in heat, like this one. I know this kicks out a lot of heat because I'm the one that purchased it. Get one of these, and I'm gonna show you what to do. All right, juice it up, and let's get a little heat going on here. So basically what you're doing is you're taking this and you're blowing hot air over here where the motor is, because what didn't happen is you didn't over froze your freezer, and what happens is it starts to collect ice up there where the motor is, that's generating the cold air. So all you're gonna do is you're just gonna take your dryer and run some heat through it. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna start melting the ice. If you want to take a chance, see this over here, put it on over here, and you watch the water start melting. That's how you know it's working. Anyways, we got it on low now, but we're gonna juice it up. Let's put it on some high heat. Let's get this over with. Wow, I know it's working, because if you look at the water here, see the water going? It's already melting off the ice itself. So we know it's working. So we gotta do is just keep an eye on all four. Blow some heat in here for a little while. I hear it cracking already. Take it and put it over here. Hold on, let me put some light on for you guys. There we go, now we can see. Hear the ice. And it shouldn't take you that long, you know, maybe 10, 15 minutes. You'll know it's working because you'll start hearing the snapping and the popping from the ice. Ooh, is that a hair? I think that's a hair. Oh, you see that ice in there? I can most definitely see that ice in there. When you look at the vents, you see the one that's not clogged and the other three that is clogged. So make sure you get that high heat in there, and that should work. After I finish throwing it out, I will continue this, and I'll hit you back so you can see what it looks like. Okay. Now, another thing too, I want to let you know, just for the extra, if you're a person that just don't really want to do this and you want to make sure that it's super clean, you can actually take this back wall off, and it's not hard. If you look right here, there's a tab right there. There's a tab right there. If you come up to the top, 1, 2, 3, 4. Peel those tabs. 9 times out of 10, it's a flathead or a fill-up. I think it's a fill-up. It's always usually a fill-up on some things like this. You could just disconnect those and pull this whole back wall off, and clean the ice really quick if that's what you want to do. But I don't feel like really doing all that. I think this is a quick solution. I just won't fill up the freezer as much the next time, because we didn't already have this go out, the ice tray go out too, and then what it was too much stuff in there. We had it stuck, and I guess it couldn't turn. So, you know, that's another thing. Well, it's nice and dry in here, as you can see. So we're gonna, like I say, let it sit for another maybe 5 more minutes, and then we'll go ahead and plug it back up, and we'll see. All right. Okay, we didn't plug it back up. We'll leave the door open because we're gonna wait to hear when the motor cuts on. To make sure that it's plugged up, we open the bottom, and the fridge light comes on. Yay! So we know it's working. So let's give it a second and see what happens on the freezer noise. Because that shit is very irritating. And for some reason, it seemed like it was getting louder and louder. So, what I did. When you get a chance, please subscribe. And check out some of my other videos. It might help you out on fixing little doodads around the house. Mainly cars, you know, parts and stuff. But still, it's things that'll help you out. Just like me, help me out. I figure it out, and then I share it to YouTube for you guys, to save you guys some money too, because I know how it is out here. I would have called the man to come out here. He would have charged me money because the warranty, I told you, I think it's up already. He would have called me, he would have came out and probably did what I said, unbolted all these bolts. Bruh. Took a spatula and shaved all the frozen shavings off around the fan. Maybe sprayed it with some lube or something. Some WD-40 or some of that new quick lube. And there it is. It's not making that loud noise. That's the normal noise. Matter of fact, let's shut the fridge. Peace and quiet. And the MoPro coming at you once again. Peace. Fix that freezer. All right.